The rear badges on the 991.2 are just held on with adhesive from the factory. Porsche has put a proper badge on the front that can easily be replaced to spruce up the look of your vehicle. Let's start with the rear badges. You're going to need some dental floss. Does not be waxed or mint, but that's what I had. You want the glue to loosen a little. You can use a hairdryer or just park the car in the sun for a few hours. Run the floss behind the badges in a sawing manner until the glue gets loose and the badge can be removed. If you are debadging the car, just clean up the area after. If you're installing new badges, make sure to take lots of measurements before you begin for proper installation of the new badge. The front badge is recessed into the hood. Ours had a clear coat shield installed. Check to make sure there will be no interference with the badge if you have a clear coat on your vehicle. Open the hood and use a trim removal tool to gently pry out the plastic clip below the hood mount red arrow. Use an 8mm socket on an extension and unscrew the 2 speed nuts holding the badge on. Red arrows. The old speed nuts may be stuck on the backing. I used a telescoping magnet to remove them. This saves them falling off and rattling around in the hood. Lift the old badge up and out from the hood, clean the area well, and install the new badge. Do not over-tighten the speed nuts. They can strip, or if you get a good grip on the badge and over-torque them, they can crack the badge. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and check out another video in this series.